Hello everyone. Welcome to this video on the map report item. A map is a data visualization report item that can be used to present analytical data with a geographical background. It helps to visualize factors such as population density, election results, sales, weather, and popularity of social networking sites. A map report item requires two types of data to visualize things on it. One is shape data, and the other is analytical data. Sets of coordinates are called shape data. Each shape is also called a polygon. A map report item supports a single map layer. A map layer can display either built-in or custom shape data. The report designer lets us create three types of maps. A basic map that displays only locations. A color map that varies map shape colors based on ranges of analytical data. And a marker map that displays different marker styles, based on the ranges of analytical data. To render each type of map, we have to specify the rules that vary the style, or distribute colors on map shapes based on the data. In this video, we will see how to add the map report item to rdl-reports to display the world population details, and how to change the properties for the added map. First, let's create a new report. Create a new report, and name it Map Report. To learn how to create your first report, click the link provided in this video's description. Then, create a new data source. Name it Population Details using the JSON data connector. And click the Connect button. The Query Designer page will open. Name the dataset, Population Dataset. And click the Finish button. A dataset is created. I have provided a video link on creating a data source and dataset using the JSON data connector, and the documentation link for the JSON query in this video's description. Now, let's add a map to the report. The map report item is under the Data Regions category in the Item panel. Drag and drop the map from the Item panel to the designer's surface. You will see the properties displayed. The properties are divided into 15 categories based on usage. The Data tab is disabled for the map report item. The Name field contains the name of the map. You can change the size of the map by extending its corners, or by dragging the points at the center of the edges. I resize the map according to my requirement. Next, let's bind the data to the map. To display analytical data on the map surface, first we need to link the analytical and shape data. The shape data is the map itself, whereas the analytical data is the data set we created. The analytical data provides meaning to the shape data. You can select the map you want to display in the Shapes property. For this demo, I choose the world map. The dataset property is used to select the dataset name, from which we are going to bind the data to the map. I choose Population Dataset. Click the Edit icon in the Binding Field property. The Binding Field Pairs panel will open. The Binding Field Pairs panel is used to link analytical data and shape data. To add the binding field pairs, click Add. This field name drop-down lists the available fields in the selected shape data. The admin and name fields hold the names of the countries of the world. And the binding expression drop-down lists the available fields in the selected dataset. For example, To match the map surface with country names, choose Name in the Field Name dropdown. Then, select the country expression in the binding expression field. You can delete the binding field pairs by clicking the delete icon in the list. Click the Update button. And the number of binding field pairs added in the Binding Field Pairs panel is displayed in the Binding Data property. The Filters property is used to add filters. And the Groups property is used to group values. Now, let's format the map's appearance. Under the Appearance category, change the border style to double. Color to black. And thickness to 1.833. For the title, enter World Population. The title changes accordingly. Click the icon next to the title property. And then select Advanced. In the Advanced panel, change the font size to 15. And the position of the title from left to center. Under the Legend category, click the Enable Legend property. And the legend will be displayed on the map. Change the position value to bottom center. Enter range as the title value. Then, change the font size to 12. And font weight to bold. Under the Shape Settings category, change the border color to dark blue. And the border thickness to 1.15. Click the icon next to the Tooltip property. And then click the Expression option. In the Expression dialog, enter the expression that displays the country name along with the population count. And then click OK. Under the Shape Color rule, click the Enable Color Rule property. Click the icon next to the Data property. And then click Expression. In the Expression dialog, enter the expression that calculates the sum of the population value. And click OK. Select Color Range as the type property value. Change the start, middle, and end color values. Change the distribution type property value to equal distribution. And change the bucket count value to 25. Under the Miscellaneous category, set the tooltip value to World Population Map. Click the Preview button. You will see the map renders in the Report Viewer control. When hovering over the map, the text entered in the tooltip property is displayed. And when hovering over each map space, the country name and total population are displayed. In this video, I showed you how to add a map to the Report Designer control, and how it renders in the Report Viewer control while previewing it. Stay tuned to this channel for our upcoming videos on bold reports. Don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.